Unlock the ultimate smoothness in your Nikon Z6 II videos by conquering 4K 60 FPS recording. First, power on your Nikon Z6 II and navigate to the Playback menu. Cycle through until you find the Protect option. Select Format Memory Card. This is crucial to ensure a clean slate and optimal performance once prompted. Confirm the formatting. Now, let's get to the recording settings. Press the I button to access the quick menu. Locate and select Movie Settings. Within Movie Settings, find and select Frame Size, Rate. Here's where the magic happens. Choose the frame size 3840 by 2160, which is our 4K resolution. Now, for the frame rate, select 6OP. This is what delivers that incredibly smooth, high frame rate footage you're looking for. You'll notice your camera now displays 4K 6OP, indicating you're ready to record. You've now enabled 4K 60 FPS recording, allowing you to capture stunningly fluid action shots and create buttery smooth slow motion effects that will elevate your videography to the next level.